Good day, critical thinkers, and welcome to Math Marathon class. So, this week I want to explore algebraic fraction. Algebraic fraction. Algebraic fraction. Yeah. So, and then what is algebraic fraction? They are those fractions of the form p of x over q of x, where p of x and q of x are polynomials, polynomials in variables x, right? And the q of x is not equal to 0. Yeah. So it is a fraction of this one, p of x over q of x, where p of x and q of x are polynomials in variable x, and the q of x is not equal to 0. Of course, we know why it shouldn't be 0. Why q of x shouldn't be 0? To avoid getting an undefined fraction. And then, of course, this algebraic fraction could be rational or irrational. Then, rational in the sense that the denominator is not equal to 0, like this is not equal to 0, and we say that it is defined. But irrational when the denominator is 0, and we say it is undefined. Algebraic fraction could be rational or irrational fractions. Could be rational or irrational fractions. Now, rational, when it is rational, it implies when it is rational fraction, it implies that denominator is not equal to 0. I would say it is what? Defined. It is defined. It is rational. When you say it is a rational fraction, it implies that the denominator is not equal to 0. And we now say that it is what? Defined. But irrational fraction, irrational, when the denominator is equal to what? 0. And then we say it is what? That is, it is undefined. Undefined. Right? So we'll be looking at simplification of rational fraction. That is simplification of rational fraction. And of course, this can be done by either linear combination and factorization or by partial fraction. You heard that, right? Yeah, partial fraction. And of course, which is the most interesting part of this topic. So I said this can be achieved. This can be achieved by either one, linear combination and factorization. Or by partial partial fraction. That, like I said, this partial fraction, that is the most interesting part of this topic. And I know you will stay tuned for that particular aspect of it. So for now, we end it here. In our next class, we start simplification of rational fraction by linear combination. So try to stay tuned. And then one more thing, try to subscribe to our channel, which is at mathmarathon_001, and then our page, which is at mathmarathon. So thank you for staying through. God bless you.